Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz token. The price line of Chiliz has completed another bullish reversal setup after a big drop, and previously I shared an idea that was a formation of a harmonic move in the month of July, and this was a big bullish bad move on the weekly time frame, and this was the video when I shared with you, and this was the chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon. And let me show you first this chart because this is quite similar with the move that Chiliz has completed recently, and the price line is going to have such reversal move again. And you can see at that time it was moving at 23.7 cents, and our targets were from 43 cents to 76.78 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well. It was at 65.61 cents. That was more than 180% rally, and now it is having some correction and still moving above the buying zone, but here it has formed another harmonic bullish reversal move, and this time it has completed on the weekly time frame. Let me just show you this chart, and I shared this chart in the month of December, a few days back on 21st of December for my members at the Patreon, and now I'm just going to reveal before you as well. And this is another harmonic bullish reversal bad move on the same weekly time frame. Previous move was also the bad move on the weekly time frame, and this current move is quite similar with the previous move. That is another bullish reversal bad move on the same weekly time frame. And our buying zone is at 28.79 cents and goes to 24 cents, and our sell targets are 42.86 cents and goes to 57.73 cents. So this is really very low risk and high reward trading idea. Now, if I play the chart, you can see at that time it was moving at 27 cents, and then it is geared up, and so far it has rallied to 35 cents, but now having a correction again. After this big drop, we are having another opportunity to buy Chiliz from such a dip. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then here we have a very strong support at 24 cents, and you can see that the price line is testing this support from the month of May 2021, and so far the price line is not able to break down this support. This is really very strong support, and for example, if the price line breaks it down, then we have another immediate support that is approximately 19.5 cents. And this can be a really very strong support zone. Right now, the price line is trying to break out the exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame, this red line. Therefore, now we can use this area that starts from 24 cents and goes to approximately 19.5 cents as our stop loss. And our sell targets will be according to this harmonic move that is 42.86 cents and goes to 57.73 cents. However, this is really very big bullish reversal setup. We can also expect that the price line may move even beyond these sell targets, but this is the harmonic, the Fibonacci based harmonic targets. We can also follow these targets as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.